Okay, so what we're doing is setting up mist nets to catch the target taxa. And we came in yesterday and there was a great deal of rain, so we weren't able to get all the nets up. So this is our 11th net, and we're going to try to put up 20 at this site. Today we caught 15 birds, so now we're putting up more nets, and this is actually pretty good habitat because it's secondary growth here. And even though we're in mature forest, there's quite a few of these two target taxa prefer more open habitat, especially the little greenbill. So we're hoping that we open the nets in the morning and catch a lot of birds.